This isn't going to be your typical decluttering video, and it's also not going to be your typical decorating video. My husband and I have decided that once I am able to completely declutter the basement, which by the way is a complete and total train wreck. It's a disaster down there. It is where everything in my home goes to not see the light of day for a very long time. So it needs some major work. That being said, we moved into this house in December 2023 and have really not done many home projects, at least not as bold and intentional as I was hoping. The basement, finishing it, is a huge project in itself, but it's something that we both really want. Now, we do already have a lot of Christmas decorations out. We have stockings up, we have pillows out, our Christmas tree is up with ornaments on it. The kids put ornaments on the Christmas tree on Thanksgiving. It's definitely a new tradition of ours. It was so much fun. We have bows on the cupboards and we have lots of Christmas decorations out. However, there are lots and lots of Christmas decorations still in the basement. And while I was going through things, I noticed multiples of things and just way too much. So what my plan is to do is to bring everything up here, finish decorating, and declutter at the same time. We're going to do some seasonal decluttering while multitasking. It sounds like a great plan. Let's get to it. Wyatt is going to be my little buddy today, helping out. Are you going to help me carry some big heavy boxes upstairs?
Yes.
Yes. Noah and Hazel are in school right now, and Adeline just went down for her nap, and we're going to try to get as much done as we can, aren't we? Yeah.
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 I love you.
Hey.
What? You're silly. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Show me your muscles.
No.
Okay. Usually when I declutter a space, I like to take everything out at once so I can see everything all together. That way I know I'm not keeping duplicates or anything that I really no longer need or want. So that's where I'm starting here, just taking everything up from the basement so I can get a good look at everything I have. This method of decluttering can get a little bit overwhelming, especially if you have lots of children like I have, which is why I'm choosing to do this when I'm doing it, because I only have Wyatt here with me, which makes it so much easier. But later in the video, Noah and Hazel come home and Adeline wakes up, and of course I love being around my kids, but it does make it a little bit more chaotic when I'm doing a project like this.
And the water on me is going off me. Sweating.
You're dripping sweat? Yeah, I think I'm like sweating too. Let's go get a t-shirt on and we'll come back to this.
Yeah, pause it.
Pause it, Wyatt says. I tried to be festive in my Christmas sweater, and Wyatt wanted to wear a sweater too, but after carrying all of those boxes upstairs, I started to get really hot, and so did Wyatt. So we got out of those sweaters and changed into some t-shirts and started this big decluttering and decorating project. I feel like I know when I need to declutter things because I start to stress out and feel overwhelmed because I don't know what to do with the things that I have. Like, why do I have a million pine cones and so many little tiny Christmas trees? I have so many of them. Look, Wyatt. More tiny Christmas trees.
No.
Why? Why so many? Why do I have pine cones? Why? These are ugly. These are ugly ornaments.
Yeah, let's throw them away.
Yeah, let's throw them away. Every year my grandma gets a new ornament for the kids for the tree, and our tree is so fun. I love it. It's exactly how Christmas should be. There's some red and gold ornaments on there, but most of them are just fun and like, oh, how cute is this? Oh my goodness. Some of these ornaments are clearly mine as well. My grandma started this tradition when I was born, and I love that she continued it with my kids as well. I just love this garland. It's so beautiful and realistic and full. I cannot remember where I got it, but I wish I had more of them. This is the one I'm going to put over my mantle, and I think I might even put this one because it's a little more sparse than the other two. And then I'll probably put these two, the longer, fuller ones, down the railing of the stairs. And I also got the cutest bows from Target. I think they were only like $5 each for like the end of the railing. I don't remember what that's called right now, but that's what those are for. Perfect. It's perfect. I'm using these tiny little command hooks to hopefully hold up this garland on my stairs. We will see how it works. This is not working. Let me try one more time. I have had these tiny little command hooks for quite some time, so that might be why they're not sticking very good, but let's just try it again. I'm gonna stick it on the wall, as close to the wall as I can get, because the railing is kind of curved, so it's not going to stick to the railing. This is not gonna work. I do have a larger command hook. Let's try it. Attempt number 3 with a larger command hook. So this is just not working. Attempt number 6 with some twine because I don't know what else to use here. Rob tried to bring me one of the pieces of our wreath that had fallen off to secure the garland on the railing. It was bendable. It also didn't work, so we're sticking with the jute twine from my kitchen. It worked really well on the other side, but you can see it on the railing. It is what it is. We're going with it. It's perfect. I got this absolutely adorable advent calendar at Target for just $30. It's huge and beautiful. I have purchased a number of advent calendars over the years, probably like 3 or 4 of them. I'm not exactly sure why I keep buying advent calendars. I think it's because as a child, my mom had one and it is such a fond memory for me, so I want to do that for my kids as well. That's not really an excuse to keep buying them, but I know at this point that this one from Target is the one. The rest of them I'm going to declutter, and this one will be sticking around because I love it. It is perfect. In a way, I kind of feel like this is not the best idea, but it's all in good fun and for the spirit of the holiday season. All of the sugar right away in the morning is probably not my best idea. Sugar greatly affects my children, and I'm just hoping they handle it well and that it's worth it. I know this looks like a lot, and believe me, I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I getting myself into? What am I doing? But in the big picture, I just hope they remember the holiday season like I did as a child and have fond memories like I do. I know I could put like trinkety toys in these pockets as well. That is something we are trying to avoid in my family as we are on this decluttering journey. We have way too many things, and we're really trying to be intentional with our purchases and not just add clutter and chaos to the house. After all of the decorating and decluttering, I ended up with 3 full garbage bags of decorations to declutter. I was really, really proud of myself. And at this point, while I'm cleaning up and packing things up, everything was very, very chaotic. It was the end of the night. It was about 7 p.m. And even though I'm sure I could have put some more out, it was just time to wrap it up for my sanity. It was time to start getting the kids settled down for bed. And the decorations that are out this year is what we are using for this holiday season. You can see that I'm putting a lot of garland, brand new garland, in a garbage bag. I got it from, I think it was Hobby Lobby, and I never even ended up using it. It still has the tags on it, so I'm actually going to sell this garland, most likely on Facebook Marketplace for a fraction of the price. And I also threw in some little beads that I had laying around that I no longer wanted. This garland was really the only thing within my decorations that I saw worthy of selling or donating. A lot of the other things that I decided to declutter were either really old, didn't work, were broken, maybe they were really cheap from the dollar store, and I just decided that getting rid of them was the best option. I I hope you enjoyed today's seasonal decorating and decluttering. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I look forward to decluttering the rest of my basement with you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.